Today we will learn what is distillation training. In the OpenAI race, DeepSeek is number one at this point in time, and OpenAI Microsoft are trying to put acquisition on DeepSeek that it claims that it has trained its data only under 5 million budget. How is that even possible? So the possibility is via distillation training, which means that it did not put all the data, it did not feed it to the DeepSeek, rather it only fed the distilled data. What does it mean? Let me explain you with a real life example. Imagine there is a teacher, he has spent like several hours, like tens of years, and read thousands of books to acquire the knowledge and the wisdom and the understanding. So if you ask question, it responds. Same thing for a student. He joined his class, he got the summary of all the questions, everything like wisdom in a small packet, because teacher had to go through a lot of things, and then teacher created a simple formula to, let's say, find a compound interest. Now students just use that formula and then they can calculate the compound interest without going through like hours and hours of effort, because they have those distilled small formulas, small summaries. Same way, what DeepSeek did is it asked questions to OpenAI, and again this is an assumption, but I'm just telling you how the distillation training works is that student learns from a teacher, but when people ask the questions to student, 90 to 99% of time student would be able to answer all of those convincingly and would be able to do the task. So similar way, the how can you check if the student model or a smaller model has used the distillation training? So if you ask the same question in the prompt to the main model versus the one which has copied over or have done the distillation learning, you might not get the same answer. Why? Because it's very simple. I learned something, let's say I learned the dance step from my teacher, but when I dance, I have my own rhythm, I have my own pattern. So even though without going through regressive dance routines, I quickly learn from my teacher and I'm able to do a good dance show, but my dance steps are my dance steps. Same way, if you ask the same question to DeepSeek or OpenAI, you might get different answers based on how this model is reaching to the inferences. Follow me for more contents related to AI and technology. My name is Premasi.